Welcome everybody back to Boost Emotion, guys. And today, yes, guys, yes, it's been confirmed already, but I never made a video about it. The Nissan Z is pretty much just a 370Z. Yeah, who would have ever known? Hit that intro. Welcome everybody back to Boost Emotion, guys. Good morning, good afternoon, and good night. Thank you. Welcome everybody back. Welcome everybody back to the channel. So this video, we're going to be talking about the confirmed chassis code for the Nissan Z and other parts that are going to be released for your new Nissan Z 2023. But before I get into the video, guys, if you are part of the Boost Motion family, that means you already hit that like button, guys. That means you want to support the channel because your likes are something that you guys can give for free. So please and thank you guys. I really would appreciate it. It's the best way for you guys to give back. All right. And if you are new to this channel, please watch this video and some other videos. And if you do enjoy it, please definitely subscribe and hit the like button. But anyway, guys, let's go. Let's talk into it. I want to do a quick screen share here, and it's been confirmed. So the chassis code, well, shout out to a Nissan Z Club, but it's all over the internet now. So the chassis code for this car would actually be RZ34. Honestly, this is just the way Nissan's trying to structure it. If you guys don't already know, pretty much the Nissan Z, the newer one, is pretty much based on the same chassis as an outgoing 370Z. It's their way of cost cutting. That's all it is. It's literally just a way of cost cutting, and I get it. Nissan, because of the supply chain issues that's going across the world, because of the beer virus that we had, they wanted to get this car out, and for them to develop a whole new chassis code, right? Just a whole new one would have just cost them so much. So they did what they should do. They pretty much price cut everything. Now I do want to show something quickly that's gonna come up, and I want you guys to take a look at something, right? And it's gonna a little bit surprise you guys, right? But I'm gonna show you guys something with the gas lid, but let's just show the parts first. First thing that is confirmed that Nismo is going to be making. I already dropped the video about it, but Nismo is going to be making their first Nismo exhaust that you can actually purchase from the factory itself. So boom, here it goes. Nismo. This I can't even call this a catback. This is a mid pipe and AXLEBACK combo. So yes, there will be a Nismo Z, or if you already haven't seen that video, but this is going to be dropping, and it's going to be about almost $2,000 American. I forgot how much it was in yen, but almost $2,000 American for a mid pipe and wide pipe. Most of you guys are not going to buy that. That's super expensive. And I already know the aftermarket is going to make plenty of exhaust. They're just waiting to get their hands on a Nissan Z. Also, I believe there was a couple of other parts that were going to be released out here. This site doesn't really have too much information. Yes, Nismo brake pads, that's going to be upgraded. And I think there was a couple of other little things I saw on their website. But honestly, just wanted to let you guys know that's the two things that they already coming out for the Nissan Z. Now, stop doing this quick screen share on this one. And I want to show you guys something else, right? Let's talk about this chassis code, right? Because Nissan was trying their best to um, what they're trying to do the best is to cost cut. So shout out to this YouTuber, Cars in Focus. But take a look at this, right? I want you guys to take a really good look at this, right? And this shows you how Nissan is cost cutting. Ready? One, two, three. Boom. Stop it right there. Why is the Nissan Z's gas lid so big? Because they basically built on top of the Z's chassis. So that's where the gas fuel thing was open. So pretty much they just added metal around that rear fender, that rear quarter panel, and they just made the gas lid super big. This is their way of cost cutting. That's why people were just so confused on why it is this way and why does it look this way? Because boom, that's the way you confirmed it. You know, they could have made the gas lid so much smaller, but once again, are they really doing something that's really a big problem to you guys? Like seriously, seriously, I'm really asking you guys a question. Do you think they're doing something that's really bad to you guys? They took already a good chassis, the Nissan 370Z, right? And pretty much they said, listen, this is a good chassis, but we just need to make a couple of tweaks and revisions. And we're also going to add the VR30 into it, which is already in the Q50, Q60, right? Swaps right over. Z1 Motorsports did it, and a couple other companies did it. And shout out to Noor TM. He swapped swapped the VR30 into 370s. He said some years ago too, and it's swaps right in. Everything bolts right up. It's not hard to get it done. So you think Nissan can't do it, and all they have to do is just reshape the outside of the car? This is the way that they choose to cost cut it. And also, once again, there's not really the reason. Also, what was released was the final weights of the car, and I believe they were about 35 to 3,600 pounds, which is a little bit heavier, slightly a little bit heavier than the 370Z, but that could be because of slightly different transmission, the 7-speed. It does have this car is supposed to have a proper LSD and some other components. So I get why the car might be just a little heavy, because they added more sheet metal and maybe upgraded reinforcements to the car because, newer age tech and certain restrictions and safety. So honestly, when I sit there and think about it, I'm not mad at Nissan pretty much giving us the same chassis, because look what Porsche has been doing for decades. A lot of these companies have been using this very similar chassis, because why should you change what already works? And this works. So at the end of the day, I think Nissan's very smart for it. I just hope that we don't pay for it in a really expensive MSRP, even though we have been confirmed low $40,000, right? But with the supply chain BS that's going on right now and markups and everything like that, it may make the buyer of this car not want to go get it, because $10,000 to $15,000 over a sticker might just price out a lot of people who are waiting to get this car. And YouTubers like me, I'm not trying to flex, but other YouTubers out there may just have the money, or bigger companies can go buy these cars with their business credit super easy, because at the end of the day, they're going to be making products and videos and certain things that pay for the car. But the average day user that might have been like, man, I can afford a $40,000 Z. Now it's like, man, that $55,000, $60,000, yeah, I can't afford it. So otherwise than that, guys, tell me what you think. Comment below. I really appreciate you guys always banging with your boy Boo. So you already know what to do. Hit the like button, subscribe button with the bell notification if you're new to the channel. If you're part of the Boost Motion family, that means you hit the like in the first 60 seconds of this video. So outside of that, guys, you have a good morning, good afternoon, good night. Thank you, guys. I appreciate it. You guys have a good day. Thank you. Thank you, everybody, for watching. Do appreciate you guys. Love you guys very much. You can also check out the 2 links I posted for some of my other videos. Also, on top of that, if you want to purchase some Boost Motion merch, definitely check the link that I posted also. And finally, if you've been watching all my videos and you enjoy them, please hit the link to subscribe.